Meltio wire laser metal deposition technology allows the manufacturing of a wider range of parts for several industries with different materials. For example, here with stainless steel, we can see automotive parts such as exhaust for motorsport that are parts with thin walls and very intricate and complex features. On a different range of parts, with tool steel, we can manufacture injection molding or die punches, for example, with internal cooling, which is not possible with conventional manufacturing. Other materials can be employed, such as Inconel can be employed in the manufacturing of valves for many industries, such as the chemical industry, while the use of titanium is particularly relevant for the aerospace industry, as it is their main material for the manufacturing of components that is supposed to be installed on airplanes and aerospace crafts. Also, parts such as naval components can be manufactured with a technology using multiple axis deposition, such as this propeller, and a variety of mechanical components can be manufactured either in 3 axes. This is done within the Meltio M450 with the use of 2 materials, or with feature addition over an existing shaft, such as this screw compressor. But the technology is not limited only to the industrial use, and can see application also in architecture, such as with this beam.